Neo Glamour TV. Choose the best African entertainment just at the tip of your finger.
Stop! Okay, what's your problem?
No, what is your problem? I should be asking you that. What is your problem?
Can you leave me alone, please?
Is it a crime to be horny in the morning? Huh?
Horny in the morning?
Yes.
Well, it's not a crime, but I'm not in the mood. Can you stop? Stop!
What have I done now?
Why are you sitting on it then? Stop, Joe!
Hey!
Stop, oh! Stop. Don't try yourself this morning. I'm not in the mood.
Brutus! Brutus! Where is this idiot that calls himself Brutus? Brutus!
Sir! I'm here.
What's your problem? My friend, come on, go that way.
I'm here, sir.
What took you so long to respond to my call?
Sir, I was at the kitchen. I was arranging things, washing the utensils.
That is none of my business. Brutus, behave yourself. Behave yourself in this house. What is your problem? I want pap with eggs and bread for breakfast.
Pap and eggs and bread.
Brutus, I want it very thick. What did I say?
Very thick.
Don't make all those baby foods you'll be baking in this house all in the name of pap. Have I made myself clear? I am coming down in the next 20 minutes. If that pap is not ready, we will have problems.
Yes, sir. Very thick and thin.
Baby food maker, did you hear it? Very thick. All that rubbish you like making.
I say you know, respect yourself.
Baby food maker, all those nasty pap.
I say you know, respect yourself.
To have lumps, everything. Not that type. We don't make that type for Oga.
Respect yourself.
Bad chef.
I'll give you back
Bad chef, go and... Oga! Go and make it.
Very
Not
thick.
baby food.
Very thick. Are you thinking of what I'm thinking? I come in peace.
Every time you're making rubbish. Chef.
So that okay is so angry now. Please, so this pap should come out good, or else I'm finishing this house. This guy now, whenever he opens his eye like that.
Brutus, the international baby food maker. How is it going?
Don't come and disturb me, oh. Don't come and disturb me, oh, Victory.
Don't come and start creating excuses, eh? Just tell me that you don't know how to prepare pap. Finish. Well, let me tell you, Oga is very angry. If you prepare all those your usual watery sauce, he's going to vest his anger on you. Me, I'll laugh, oh. I'll laugh at you.
Okay. Oh yeah, come and do it.
Eh?
Come do it.
On one condition.
What condition?
If I prepare this pap, you're going to scrub, mop, sweep everywhere.
Eh?
Not only that,
Only
you
what?
still...
Only what? If I give you back now.
Eh? Me? Okay, prepare it now.
Come on, prepare it.
Prepare it.
Come on.
Look at this thing. See water. See water. Ocean.
Let me water.
See the ocean you're making.
Let me water.
Good luck. Yeah, I will laugh.
Laugh. Rich. This guy, you are rich. This guy. You are rich guy. Look at your neck like air conditioning pipe. Imagine the compatibility. What a bombshell. Rich girl. Don't confuse me. God, this is me. The one you go. God, this is me. Remember me. Babe. Babe.
What is it?
Babe, I'm sorry.
That does not answer my question. What do you want?
Babe, I'm sorry for not allowing you to touch me, okay? I didn't mean to get you angry. Please forgive me.
Oh, so you meant to make me happy, right?
It's not that way, but babe, come on. I wish you'd understand, Okay, for example, you're very good in getting me turned on and all that, but at the end of the day, you don't normally get me satisfied. As you know, you are really small down there.
There you go again. Mocking me because of my shortcoming. Look, the fact that I am small does not mean you deny me from touching you. I'm not even angry, oh. I'm not. Just leave me, let me go to work in peace. Don't touch me.
I should tell you that you should hurry up with it.
Victor, respect yourself, I beg. Respect yourself. I'm not a kid. I'm going 50. I'm not a kid.
Victor, what did I do wrong here? I only came to tell you that you should hurry up with the food. Oga is wait. Why are you looking at me like that? Oga is waiting.
See, leave my kitchen.
Eh?
No, leave my kitchen.
I should leave your
leave
kitchen.
My kitchen.
Who that's your kitchen? Look how you're talking. Leave my kitchen. Leave my. As if you know what you're doing. Hurry up with the ocean. I can't wait to laugh at you when Oga will vest his anger on you. Bring out the ocean. Let's see.
You are so frustrating. You are so frustrating. Like low internet in Nigeria. So frustrating. Imagine the compatibility.
Jukes! Jukes! Jukes!
Sir! Sir!
Open the gate, I'm late for work.
Okay, sir. is too active. Victory! Victory!
Brutus, what is it?
But you know they play with you again. Victoria, do you know I've been watching you from afar? God, you're so beautiful. See, slim things are more like, yeah. I love them slim.
You love them slim. You like me. You've been watching me. But each time I come to to your kitchen, you send me away.
Oh, forget me.
You love me.
Forget about me. Forget about all those things I've been doing. You understand? Okay, I like you. See, if you give me a chance, the big things I will do for you, maybe big things we do for love. If you like, ask the whole Africa. Things we do for love is me. I do things for love.
You do anything for me. How about you join me in cleaning the house?
Okay.
How about you join me in cleaning the house?
Oh, I should join you to clean the house.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, when a guy join you to clean house, that's your love language, right?
Whatever you call it.
Victoria, your mates are collecting money. Money is your love language. You now, a guy should join you. No problem now, no problem.
This is the stage 1.
Oh, you have stages. Don't worry. Do you know before I was cooking, I was mopping. Oh, if you like, call Obama's daughter. Oh, this is Michelle Obama. Call the daughter. I was mopping for Obama's daughter.
Really?
Yes. Oh, mopping is not.
After here, you're going to go to the parlor.
Okay.
Go to the living room and
even the parlor. Man. Ma?
Yes, what are you doing here? Is this where my breakfast is?
No, ma,
Exactly. What are you going to go and get my breakfast? Go and get my breakfast.
Yes, ma'am.
Pick it and leave here. Oh, come on now.
Okay. Sorry.
Mop is your love language. The mess are making money and making more. Idiots.
Dizzy, are you experiencing vertigo?
What's that?
Benign paroxysmal positional vertigo. It's a symptom of dizziness that causes false motion or spinning.
No, I've never experienced such.
Thank God it's not severe. But what have you done that's making you feel dizzy?
Nothing really, just that I'm a bit anxious.
Oh, that should be the cause. Agoraphobia. It's a symptom that has to do with anxiety.
Are you a medical student or something? Because you seems to know a lot.
No, ma'am. I actually have a sister who runs a pharmaceutical shop. So I learned 1 or 2 from her when I was staying there with her. I could help you get drugs from her shop. It's not far from here.
Oh yeah, please. Do you mind to go to my room and get my purse that can give you some money?
Okay, sure, ma'am.
You're welcome. I was thinking, what will you eat?
I just want to rest and shower. I'll let you know when I'm ready.
Oh, really? All right. What of juice?
I'm fine. I don't want juice.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Brutus, I said no thank you. You can go. Can you just leave me alone?
Okay.
I'm tired.
Brutus, what is it now?
Calm Eh? Calm down. Calm down. Eh? Why are you behaving as if you don't know what I want? Eh? I've been telling you. Give me chance. Eh? Allow me to crave your gardens. Allow me to mishandle your bolingo. Eh? Allow us, be enjoying ourselves in this house. I will take care of you. I love you.
You love who? Look at your mouth like you love me. Huh? You love me, but you failed to prove that to me. Please leave me alone. Mishandle who?
Why are you saying that? I was helping you to mob. And when my madam came to chase me out, I was proving my love to you.
By running away, right? She asked you to leave and you ran away. Why did you leave?
Oh, I shouldn't run away. I should disobey madam and lose my job.
But you said you love me, so you're meant to prove it to me. You're meant to stand there. Even if she says go, you stay. Yes.
What a bombshell. Victory, like I say, Titanic love still there your eye.
Me, Titanic love.
Oh.
Don't you ever talk to me again. You do not love
Calm
me.
down.
No.
What is it?
What is not it? Huh? Now, what will you call this? What do you call this now?
I'm trying to make you feel good.
Which good? By pouring all your sweat on me.
That's because I'm working hard.
You're not working no hard. If you want to work hard, you go to the gym.
After all this sweat?
Please, can you don't repeat that thing again?
You're trying to tell me you're not feeling it?
What am I feeling? I'm only just making just to please you. I'm not feeling nothing. You might be feeling it, but I'm not feeling it.
Are you serious? Okay, let's try it again now.
Are you normal? I don't think so. Try what? To stress me?
Am I not stressed? I'm sweating.
That's because you want to be stressed. You're enjoying it. I'm not. Is it too difficult for you to understand? Listen, this is called pleasure for both parties, not just one person. You're being selfish here. Stop it. What are you doing?
I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? Haven't I told you to stop touching me?
Yes, I forgot you told me not to touch you again. Roland, what you're doing is not fair. Why are you blaming me for a situation that is beyond my control? You know I did not create myself, right?
Wow. Then God shouldn't have created you. Because what's the use of creating you and you cannot even satisfy me? Or is there any other woman out there? No, if there is, then you better talk. Because what's the meaning of all this? I'm not getting it. So what's the point putting me in a mood when you cannot even satisfy me? What am I doing with you? Do you remember last time we had a conversation about your sister having a pharmacy?
Oh, yes. The one close by, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
I remember.
Yeah. I don't know if she'll be able to help me.
Help you with what?
There's some medication.
Medication? What sort of medication do you want?
I need
Ma'am?
yeah.
Ma'am?
Yeah. Victoria, yeah. Sorry about that. a kind of medication that can enhance um, a manhood.
Okay. I understand you for the journey. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, I understand. She can help you out. I think she has some testosterone gels and tablets, but she'll be able to recommend the best for you.
Oh, that would be nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Okay.
thank you very much.
You want it right away?
Of course I do.
All right. Let me just wrap up with my chores and then go there. If
Yeah.
that's okay.
Yeah. And I've got some money when you're going, yeah?
Okay, ma'am. I'll let you know. Is that all?
Yeah. Thank you.
I'll just get back to work. Is that all?
Yeah. You don't mind, eh?
No. It's fine. It's fine. She'll get it all sorted out. She'll even recommend the best ones.
Okay. And it works.
Very well. I trust my sister. I told you I learned a lot from her.
Thank you.
Marcus.
Man, now you be this.
Where have you been?
I swear I've been around. It's been long I visited, bro.
Good you know. You just vanished into thin air.
No be like that. You know the matter. Now the money will be fine.
Man like Marcus.
Bro.
It's good to see you, man.
I swear, send
You
me
should
a
come
man.
to the house. Let's, drink some, have talk. It's
You
been
know
a minute.
You know be bad idea. It's not a bad idea at all.
See, I'm so happy to see you.
Send me here, bro. Send
Where
me
you
here,
parked? Where's your car?
bro. Down there.
Oh, down there,
Yeah.
There?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, man. Take
All
care
right
of
now,
yourself.
bro. I swear.
Okay, man.
All right, don't
Take
phone.
care. Marcus. Now with the ladies.
Oh, Brutus, what is it this morning? Vivi. Hey, Victoria. Is it a crime to love you? Hey, is it a crime to love you? I love you. Okay, it's okay. See, listen. Just tell me what to do. Tell me what should I do for you to know that I love you? Tell me, I will do it.
You will do anything.
I will do anything. I will die for love.
Okay. I want you to prepare noodles and fried eggs.
Okay, what?
Noodles and fried eggs.
You want noodles
Yes.
and fried eggs? Eh? What a bombshell. Victory be like say you want use me for fast food joint too. Yeah. You want noodles and fried eggs? Please, oh, there's no egg in this house.
Hey!
No, there's no egg in this house.
Sus, you are telling lies. You think I did not see those 2 eggs you kept inside the fridge?
Eh?
Yes.
No, hey, that particular egg is for madam. Oh. It's for madam. Please, there's no egg in this house.
You're preserving the eggs for madam. Okay, go and date her. Go and date
It's
her.
okay. Come. Your blood to the hot. All this new Jay-Z. It's okay, I'll do it for you. I'll do it for
You do it for me. Okay, fine. Go and do it. When I'm done eating, our love life can begin.
you. What a bombshell. Okay, so how do you want it? Do you want it peppery,
Not too much. Not too much.
continental style?
Yes, anyhow you can do it for me.
Okay.
To make my taste.
All right.
Fine.
Yeah, I'll do it for you, okay?
Thank
Don't
you.
worry, okay? This plate, it was full. It was.
Brutus, are you by any chance see any of, the leftover eggs?
What is that coming again?
The eggs.
Oh, eggs.
Oh my God, please don't play that.
Oh, no,
Even the sardine, what's going on?
Okay, sardine. Okay, now we said that there's sardine sauces.
Yeah, now you can stammer. What's all this problem in this house? Why is everyone stressing me? What's all this? What did you do with the eggs? Oh, you did combination, eggs and sardine. Is that what you did? What's the eye for? Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Huh?
I'm okay.
What's that? You know what? I don't have any. See this drama? I'm not ready. It's too early for that. You know your salary? You're not having it. Yeah, exactly. Because I'm using that for my own eggs. Yes. And sardine. I'm going to buy packs of it.
My.
Yeah. Please. What did you even add in the egg when you were cooking it? Because I don't understand. Tell me, what did you add in the egg? You must have added something in it. Uh-huh. What did you add in the egg?
Gizzard.
Huh?
Gizzard.
Even gizzard. You have a problem. Maybe it's a mental problem. I don't know. Gizzard, sardine, and you ate it.
Mama, I did. My salad. Ma.
Can you stop? Just stop. Just stop. Oh, that's how your face was when you were eating it.
Me too. Kill me. I'm not going to do this thing for you. You know, you have forced me. I'm in trouble now. What's all this now? What's all this? What's all this Titanic love? What's all this? Titanic love don't pass now. Why you making me pass through Titanic love now? What's all this? Yeah, you're working freely. See the way you are working freely, Abi. After eating all sausage, all two eggs now, eating it with sausage, with mayonnaise, everything. Have you seen the way you are working freely?
Wait, what are you talking about?
Yeah, you are putting me into trouble. I told you that those 2 eggs is for madam. Don't let me do it. Hey, I should do it for you. Now you are putting me into trouble now.
Wait. Is that why you're grumbling? Is that why you want to
Why would
cry?
I grumble?
Wait, Brutus, what do you think love is? Or you think it's a child's play? Love, when you're in love, you have to sacrifice. You have to go through some pain, stuff like that. You have to sacrifice well, just to prove that you're in. If not, you're not ready for love.
I should sacrifice my salary, Abi. I should sacrifice my salary, Abi. Do you think we are in Titanic era? No, do you think we are in Titanic era?
I did not ask you to fall in love with me. Oh? Well, I'm just coming back with the drugs Madam sent me, and I want to go and give it to her. So please enjoy the sacrifices and everything, the pain, the trauma that comes with falling in love.
Don't tell me to enjoy. What's all this now? Now allow me to keep the gun inside. You know, allow me. After eating 2 sardines inside Indomie, full sausage, gizzard, everything there inside. When the last time I ate sardine with Indomie? And you have eating it. Now you're putting me in trouble now. Mama, salary is at stake now. What a mom say? What's all this now? Don't like all these things. I don't like this at all. I don't like this at all.
What is it? After you kept on shouting at me because of ordinary eggs, and now you want me to believe that you love me.
Victory. What the mom say? Calm down. Oh, so is it because of this small anger I showed you now? It was mood swing. Me, I'm like that. I'm like Nepal. Sometimes I can be bright, I can be dark.
Okay.
You understand? So calm down. I love you. I love you with all my heart. When I sleep, I can't sleep. I'm telling you.
Hey,
oh, yes,
you love me. Yet you were shouting because madam cut your salary. Only your salary. In fact, as it is, I am done with this relationship. I'm not doing it again. No.
Victoria, we have not even started anything yet. I have not even, shifted the curtains yet. And you are done. Is that how you give up so early? Calm down. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. It's okay. It's okay. Just tell me, what should I do to, bring your love out again, alive again?
Brutus, you started again, no? I did not beg you, did I?
Oh, no, this time I'm in business. This time I said do and die.
I did not beg you for anything. Now you're saying say whatever you want, Abi?
Say it.
Okay. I want you to always provide me with my choice meal. I mean anytime, any day. I want you to keep cooking. Cook for me. Anything I want to eat in this house, I want you to provide it. Even all those meals that you learnt in Ghana, in Cotonou, everything, those intercontinental dishes that you always prepare for madam, I want all those ones. Anytime, any day in this house. Deal? No deal.
Wait, calm down. You are in a hurry to go. I've no. So does it mean that even if I'm in the washroom,
Yes.
if I'm easing myself, I will.
Under the sun and in the rain.
Yeah. It's okay.
Okay,
It's okay. It's not a problem. It's okay. It's not a problem. It's a
It's not a
deal.
problem.
It's not a problem.
It's a deal.
Whenever. Okay. Whenever.
You're a smart man. That's great. Thank you.
Go down now. To the rush.
What?
To the rush now.
What?
I said now that you have accepted to love me now. Hope your love is alive now. Now you have accepted to love me.
I love you. I will say partially now. What do you want?
Partially.
Yes.
So, what a bombshell. 1, 2, 3. It's okay. Partially, so I can manage partially.
Nice.
I can manage. But now that you have accepted me partially, can't you give me the kuntus?
Are you crazy? Eh? Are you okay? You're not normal, Luz. Get out and get to work.
You said partially.
Get to work.
Sorry. Wait. Victor.
Hey, boo. You're looking at me like that. What happened?
You're smiling at me? What's going on?
I don't understand. Are you trying to say I don't normally smile at you? Is that what you're saying?
You know that. It's been one problem or the other every single day just because I can't make you feel good.
Okay. The days of problem have come to an end. Okay? Don't worry yourself. Don't stress. So, I've got supplement for you, and I believe it's going to work. Okay? One for you to drink, and the other one to rub on your pim-pim. Here you go. Go on then. You're looking at me. Am I that strange? Yes.
Are you sure this is going to work?
Of course, you haven't even tried it. It will work.
Well, I don't have a choice, but I have not eaten. I need to eat before I take this.
That's nothing. You know what? I'm going to get you something to eat, okay?
You get me food to eat.
Of course. Listen, when you take it, it works for you, works for me. We all are happy. I'll be back in a minute, okay? God, what are you going to call this? What's this rubbish you're doing?
Making you feel good now.
Feel which good? So you want to tell me that after weeks on medication, still you cannot even, and your thing is still tiny down there?
It's not my fault now.
So whose fault is it? No, you tell me whose fault?
I don't know.
My God, this is just like, this is just a waste of everything.
Lauren,
Let you what? Let you do what?
just five.
It's 5 minutes will kill you. Do you even know the annoying bit? I went out as much as shaving down there, thinking that tonight is the night.
Yes, it's because that place is now very, very smooth.
So what?
Just like 5-10 minutes, I'll finish.
You're a madman. It is.
God, why the embarrassment?
Just waste my money. You even have the audacity as if he's doing it. In your mind now you're doing it.
So what was I doing? Lauren.
Alfred, thunder. Thunder, thunder, thunder. Don't even.
Sorry. My guy. Alpha. Why did you disgrace me?
Will you be quiet now? You are just quiet. With your guy. Your useless guy.
God, why? Why did you have to ruin my life like this? Why do I have to go through this shame? Imagine this little thing you gave me. I can't stand in the presence of my girlfriend. The shame and humiliation is just too much for me. What's up? Marcus, how far?
I did alright though. I wanted to come over to your place, so I think I call you now.
Come on, you don't need permission to come to my house. Well, it's weekend and I'm home.
No, while I see me see your house now. You go see me soon.
All right, okay. Drive safely.
Alright.
It's so good to see you, man.
I swear, so good to see you.
Like, you know when you called, I was like, wait, which kind of ghost they call me by this time of the
He
day?
goes me. I mean, now you be goes, no be me. I never knew you'd be home.
Well, I'm always at home during the weekends unless I'm going to see my parents.
Yeah, that's very important. You'll be able to refresh, relax. You dig it?
Yeah.
Then get ready for the new week.
No, I don't joke with my rest during the weekends because I know what every week brings to the table.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it.
Hi, baby. We've got visitor.
Yeah. This is my friend Marcus. Marcus, this is my girlfriend Lorraine.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. You're welcome. Yeah. So, do you guys care for anything?
We are okay with this, but I think the chef is making something. Can you check it out?
Sure. I'm back in a minute.
Thank you. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. As I was telling you about I came in and I wanted to.
Babe, can you help me bring...
Help you with what? With what? Please don't disturb my life.
Has it gotten to this? So I can't speak freely in my own house?
Nobody said you can't speak freely in your house. All I'm saying is that don't disturb me with whatever it is that you want to say. After all, you've got hands to help you. Victoria is there. Must you talk? Must you stress me? Oh, even if you want to stress, not like a man that has got like little dick like you.
But wait. What must be the content of the paper Alfred's babe gave to me? What does she really want from me? 'Cause I don't understand. It's alright.
Vicky.
Brutus, what is it? Why are you calling my name?
You make the brotherhood outside will be very, very disappointed in me. Jesus, if I'm not able to cave this garden, brotherhood will be very, very disappointed in me. No, what haven't I done? No, tell me. What haven't I done? I should cook. I will cook for you. I'll cook indomie for you. I should mop. I'll mop for you. I've done everything now. I've been begging you since. Allow me to just mishandle your bolingo. Let me just like that. You don't want me to.
Brutus.
Vicky.
I am not in for all this rubbish talk. Do you hear me? I'm not ready for this talk. I have told you to calm down. Calm down. I'm on my period. After this period, I swear you will enjoy everything you are meant to.
Which kind of period is that? What a bombshell. Which kind of period is that? Is it cassava period or condo period? Period that people will be starting from beginning of the month and ending of the month. You alone, middle of the month.
Me?
Oh.
Me? So you're calling me a liar?
Oh.
You're calling me a liar? Okay, fine. I'm telling lies. No problem. I am a woman. Are you a woman? Do you know how it works? Have you ever seen your period?
I studied biology.
Look at someone I wanted to help. I wanted to even give it to you after this period, but you see with this thing you said, you will not see it.
Wait.
You will not enjoy
it. Wait. Okay, you wanted to give me after you finished. Oh, sorry now. You're supposed to tell me. Calm down. Victory. Bro. Calm down, okay? I'm sorry. I believe you now.
No, please excuse me. Get out of me.
Victor. This girl. The brother will be very disappointed in me. If I'm not able to mishandle her bolingo now, brother will be outside and they will be disappointed in me. What's all this? All these new Gen Zs. These are the behave. The next thing they are okay. The next thing they don't switch. Their head they switch them. You will not give me, you will not allow me to cultivate this thing. Brotherhood will be outside and they will be very, very disappointed in me. I know them, brotherhood. They'll be disappointed in me. Because if I'm not able to cave their garden now, they will say, Mama Share, we don't disappoint in you. Now you go and give to all these stupid boys now. They will just come and get you pregnant now. Now you become born. Allow me to cave your garden. Let me be a responsible man. You don't want me to. What's all this now? Why am I even here? Why? You see all these things. See how I'm confused. Nakonji. I don't know where to.
Babe, I am talking to you.
What is it? What do you want?
What are you doing today?
Is that the answer to my question? Why are you asking?
Well, I need you to go to the market. Brutus said we have to stock up.
Listen, you must be joking. I don't understand. I go to market as your wife or your maid or your chef. Listen, I'm just a girlfriend. And I shouldn't be playing wife's role. It doesn't happen.
Are you telling me you can't go to the market?
Why should I go to the market? What are you talking about? A girlfriend should play a wife's role? Listen, I don't have time for that. Okay? I think the best thing to do is for you to send your chef to the market, or you better still do it. You're not doing anything at home, are you? Of course you're not.
You know what? It's fine.
Fine. And shut the door as you leave.
This is my house. You don't tell me what to do.
Whatever.
to school. Come back here. Have you made the list of everything you have to buy?
Oh, yes. I've listed everything.
Okay, good. I'll drop you at the market because I have to go somewhere to pick something. When you're done, call me.
Okay.
Make sure you buy everything before I get there, else I'll leave you at that market.
No problem, sir. So I should buy everything on the including what's on the list, Abi?
No. Buy the whole market. I forget inside, let's get out of here. Tell Chooks to open the gate.
Choose! Why you now? Open gate! We are going to the market. Sir, what's that? I'm coming. Open gate!
Because I don't get it. Yes, I seriously don't understand what you want. What exactly do you want from me? You will tell me when I come. Alright, you will see me soon. I'm on my way already.
Come in. Oh, sir, Pankos.
Hello.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, but my Oga is not home.
What about this woman? She's in, right?
Yes, she is.
She's actually the person I came to see.
Okay. Let me help you call her. Just have a seat, sir.
Thank you.
When did Auntie Lauren and Uncle Marcus start getting this close?
Get off my way, man.
Marcus, come on, why are you behaving this way? You're too matured for this, alright?
Listen. I and Alfred have been friends from childhood.
Okay.
We've never had any issue. It won't start now, and I'm not letting you come in between us.
Marcus, no one is coming between you guys.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm telling you, no, I'm not gonna do that. Listen, Marcus, you don't understand. Listen, just listen to me, please. I've never felt this way for a very long time. You really make me feel like a woman. I've never felt this way for a very long time. You might just be the kind of man that I am.
Are you listening to yourself? Are you normal? I'm your boyfriend's best friend.
Oh, yeah.
Make out with you? That will never happen. Why are you screaming? What's the problem?
Why are you scared? You know, I could scream and people can come in here. Yeah, of course. I can even say that you raped me.
What?
Yeah. Do you know what it is? To be found guilty of rape. Then you're going to spend all your life behind bars. Well, you see me in court then. How about that?
Listen, it hasn't gotten to this.
Of course he has.
You know how far I and your boyfriend have gone.
Okay.
It hasn't gotten to this.
All
You don't have to blackmail me.
Oh, come on. Listen. Shh. Are you not planning to marriage? Not even fair.
tell me you like it.
I love you, baby. That's right there. Oh yeah. Oh,
You like it,
I
right?
love you, baby. Oh,
Hey, I knew it. I knew that there was something fishy with this visitor in Oga's absence.
you're so good, baby.
Hey, so this is what Madame is doing. But this is not good. This is not good. This is really too bad of her. Hey,
You're so good, baby.
Thank you. Marcus is here?
Yes, sir. It's inside.
Inside? Okay. Brutus, get the things out of the trunk.
Who's you left it, man? They do as if they do a raw job.
Now my office be there. Open up.
So nobody go advise you say go to school abroad and become somebody in person. Oh wow!
At least I better pass. Now me they guide this house.
You better pass me. I dey cook. I'm international cook. You know better pass me.
Now me they secure you.
You dey secure me. Who they feed you? Who they feed you? I will poison you now. You will lose your life.
You poison me.
I will waste your life now. I feel poison you. I feel get you hungry. 2 points.
You poison me.
Oh you be easy work now.
Me?
Oh.
For this house.
Oh.
I go tell Oga.
You go tell who?
I go tell Oga.
If you tell Oga, I go give you who can give you.
You won't poison me. Oga don't hear him.
Mouth cho. Man, you can come and help me open this thing.
You won't poison me.
Come and help me open this thing.
Hey, bro.
Marcus!
Hey.
What's up, man?
I'm good.
How far?
I'm good. You know, I actually saw something like this outside.
Are you
Yeah,
serious?
I wanted to buy it for my.
Really?
Yeah, I wanted to buy it for my.
Oh, so you've
For
been
the
eyeing
house,
this thing all this while?
Yes, you
Oh God.
Hey,
Okay. You're welcome.
someone seems happy today.
Of course. I've been missing you, you know. You know, there was a point I regretted not going to the market with you.
It's okay. I'm here now.
Okay.
Can you
My forever baby. My Omali Joa. What about you?
Stop calling me your baby. Who is your Omali Chanwa? Omali Chanwa, you went to the market and you couldn't even get anything for me. Please leave me alone.
I knew it. I said it. She's so quick to conclude. Victor, you are so quick to conclude. See, my dear, maintain your steez and composure. Relax. No, tell me, which human being will go to the market and come back empty-handed?
You're the human being.
Me. So let me check it right now. I don't want to talk too much. I don't want to talk too much.
Hey.
I'm a very dangerous person. Me. I'm a very dangerous person.
Hey.
I'll give you your love now. I'll give you your love.
For me. Fish. Hey, how did you know that I was craving this?
I know my baby. I know what you want.
This whole fish.
Very expensive something.
Yes, now it should be expensive.
5,000.
Boo, thank you so much. Boo, you know what? Tonight is the night. Ask me how. I will give you everything you've been craving. Every part of my body. Left, right, front, back. You will have it tonight.
Are you serious?
Right, like I'm joking.
Are you serious?
You know what I want you to do? At night, come and knock at my door. When you knock, I'll open. And everything will go down. Bro.
Okay.
I'm expecting you.
Okay, I'll be coming. So this girl will kill me. I'm going to claim your hands and burn your booties. That's what they said in the Bible. They said, knock and it shall be opened to you. Seek and you shall find. What a bombshell. This girl, today you see. Oh God. Please, remember my water is to claim me. I will claim your hands.
Bro, I swear to God.
Oh my God, that's crazy.
Oh, boy.
But tell me, what brings you to my house this early?
Actually, I was in the neighborhood. So I decided to breeze in and surprise you. But unfortunately to me, getting here, you were not around.
Oh yeah, I'm so sorry. I actually took my chef to the market to get some food stuff.
Okay.
Bro, things are so expensive. What is going on with this country? Do you know I spent more than usual?
Are you kidding? I thought as much. That's probably why you stayed out longer.
Yeah.
You know, at the point I was like, maybe I should have called before coming.
Call who?
Call you now.
Me.
Uh-huh.
Before coming to this house?
Yes, now.
Come on, man. This is like your house now. At least I have people that will take care of you while you wait for me. Just what's the you? You could be a tire now. Just go take what you want to take.
I should arrange myself.
Arrange yourself.
I swear to God.
That reminds me. Jeffrey called me.
Mm-hmm.
And he was telling me about that project.
Just imagine how my Oga trusts his friend so much. See the way he laughs with that evil that he calls himself, Marcus. Chai, poor gentle boss of mine. It's not your fault. It's not your fault that you trusted your friend so much. Hey, I blame this Marcus and Auntie Lauren. I wish you know the kind of people you have around you, my boss. Oh, I just wish.
Why are you touching me?
Oh, come on now. Stop, Alfred.
No. Stop, please. The last time I checked, you said I should not touch you. Let's not start something we can't finish.
Listen, Alfred, I should be the one complaining.
I know, but I don't want to leave you unsatisfied, okay?
Come on. Are you not my man anymore?
Just stop, please.
Okay. I know. But I'm not complaining. Come on.
I'm complaining.
Why should you complain? I should be the one complaining.
But I don't...
Victory! Victory! It's me, oh, it's me. It's me, your darling boy. Victory, now stop with all these things now, Victor. Why are you doing this? We all agreed that after dinner now, we will both enjoy ourselves. You promised me. Now I'm here now, I'm knocking. Victor, can you hear me? Victor, Jesus. The little things like this, they make me keep pressing. Little things like this. I'll just reach Baba alone now. What's all this? Victor, what kind of disappointment is this? You have promised me that after dinner now, we will do the thing. Now you have locked down. Pretending like you are asleep. You can hear me, Abi. You can hear me. This thing you've been doing, don't do that. Oh. Don't be doing those things. Eh? You have promised me. I even went to do. I've cut down all the trees on my land. I've cut down all the trees on my land. Now my land look bare land. I'm here to keep the garden now. What's all this now? After learning all these 16 styles now, you are asleep. See, Victor, stop all these things. So if I'm not able to use this umbrella style, I'll be very angry. Oh. Victor.
I'm all right. He has left, right?
Of course. You know he's not coming back anytime soon, so we've got the whole house to ourselves. So, do we start from here or should we?
You've suddenly forgotten you have a lot of people to love.
My bad, I'm sorry. No, whenever I see you, I'm over the moon. You know that.
I know.
Let's go.
After you.
Come on, let's go.
But why? Why is Auntie Lauren doing this? She didn't see any other person to cheat with, aside Alfred's best friend. Who knows how bad they talk about my boss while they make out? Who knows the kind of evil they might be plotting against him? Hi. Why?
What a bombshell. God, let me curve your gardens and mourn your bushes. How is your body now? I hope you had a good sleep. And your body is on point now.
Are you okay?
What's the problem?
Are you normal?
Hey, Vicky, you told me you wanted to rest. Now I allow you to rest. Hey, now it's time for me to, allow me to, just shift your curtains and just, walk on the highway. Hey, that's what you told me. You promised me that you want to rest more.
It's so clear that you are crazy. Brutus, you are mad. Please leave me alone.
Victoria.
Mm-hmm.
Victoria.
Mm-hmm.
It has become like this, right? You want to use me as a fool, right? Yeah, the last time you told me, oh, you should finish your period. You will let me curve the guy. You didn't. This time around, I should let you sleep. I'm here for you to give me what I want now. You don't want to do.
Give you what?
No, it's okay. No, it's okay.
Leave me alone, please.
No, my dear, it's okay. Now, all the things I've been giving you, all the eggs I've been giving you, all the mobbing I've been helping you to do. See, no, I don't want to just hear it. Just give me everything I gave you. Give me everything. No, don't tell me. Just give me everything.
Give you what?
All right.
No, give you what?
No, I don't want to talk anything. Just give me everything I gave you now.
Hey.
Give me, no.
Have you lost it?
See, hey, don't try me. Don't try me.
What do you want to do to me?
Hey, don't try me. Don't try me.
Leave me alone.
Leave me alone. Victor. Give me my hand.
Give me what? Give me what? Leave me alone.
Over you, baby. Fire, baby. Let's just.
What's going on here?
Sorry, we are doing TikTok challenge.
You and who? I'm not doing any TikTok challenge. Are you okay? No, nothing's up.
Brutus.
You were leaving.
Yeah, I was leaving. So, okay, sir. Yeah.
Brutus.
Sir, I was like, fire, baby. That's all.
Sir, but sir, you're back early. Did you forget anything?
Yes, I left a file in my room.
Oh.
I came to get it.
Okay, sir, you get it.
You guys should behave yourselves, please.
Yes, sir. Yes! Finally, he's going to catch that Jezebel. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face.
Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can't even wait to see the face. Oh my God, I can
is it?
It's me, man.
Babe, 1 minute. I'm just trying to sort out my hair, yeah? Yeah, my hair. 1 minute. One minute, babe.
Sir, are you leaving already?
Yes, I got the file I came for.
Oh, okay. You just came back for this file, and did you see anything in there?
I have to be at the
Are you-
office.
I didn't even know you come out so fast. How is it even possible?
Victory,
Sir?
are you okay? Have you
Yeah.
eaten?
No, sir.
Ask Brutus to make you something to eat.
Okay, sir, I will. Bye-bye, sir. Wait. How did he just come out like that? He didn't see Marcus in there. Why? Or has he gone? He's not small now, so where did he hide?
Is he going?
Of course, come.
That was so close.
I know.
Too smart.
Of course. What do you take me for? Do you think I'm a kid? Put it down.
Thank God I didn't come with my guy too. I'm in a different case.
Oh, forget about that. So, let's just... Come, what are you looking at?
Let me rest.
Press forward. Come. Let's start focusing.
Are you kidding?
Let's finish it. Come down. Don't you like it? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. You know what? You make me feel so good. Actually, I haven't felt this with a very long time. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's okay.
I have to be on my way. I wouldn't want Alfred to come back and meet me here.
Oh, come on. Why are you so frightened about Alfred? Listen, you need to relax, you know. Yeah? I've got some way, to plan out something that he wouldn't even have a clue that I've got something going on.
I understand.
Yeah?
But even at that, we still need to play safe.
Oh.
I have to be on my way.
Okay, that's fine, sweetie. I'm gonna call you. I will talk, okay? Thank you. Yeah.
So this is what Madame has been doing. But how come Oga did not see him inside the room? Hey! Madame, it's not fair. Madame, you're doing all these things because Oga cannot satisfy you in bed. Hey! I wish and I pray that one day, Monkey could go market to no go return. Oga must surely catch her. Hey! Under his own roof.
I'm a sucker for your love.
How far?
Oh no,
How far have you gone?
No, Victor. No, Victory. No, explain this to me. Since when did you become my supervisor? Now let me know.
Please forget about supervisor or whatever. I'm just here to help. I want to assist you. What can we do? Oga needs to eat.
Oh, Oga needs to eat. Okay, now you are Oga's spokeswoman, abi?
Forget about being spokeswoman or not. Please, Oga is passing through a lot, and the least we can do is to feed him well. What can I do to help?
Yay, this girl. You are shocking me, oh. Yeah. It's okay. You want to help me, Abi?
Yes.
You want to help me? No problem. No problem. Senapa, no problem.
Okay.
Okay. You see this plate now? It's dirty.
Okay.
Wash them. And
Okay.
I need buckets. What?
Oh, no. I've already pumped the water. There's water running now.
Okay, you have pumped the water.
Yes. So
Okay.
just this one, right?
All right.
All right, I'll be back. Please just hurry up, okay?
Yeah. What a mom said. This girl, I don't understand this girl. Yeah, P-Square will say, in the busybody, yeah. Busybody, yeah. Oh, no. Busybody. Nobody said you. This guy get the busybody anyhow. Yeah. Oh, well, you know, you come and help now. At the end of the month, I'll collect my pay. Do I care? That's here. P-Square, that's here.
These guys are crazy. The guy is right behind. I just knew it. It was going to happen. It was butter.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, any problem?
Oh, no problem. I only came to tell you that dinner is ready.
Oh, thank you. Let me call my girlfriend. You know I can't eat without my queen. Thank you. Hey!
This life no balance at all. See my Oga that loves his girlfriend with everything in him. Yet she doesn't even love him at all. Hi! Hey! This life, eh?
Yes, come in. Good morning. Morning. Is there a problem?
Oh no, sir. I came to take your clothes so I could iron them and clean your shoes since you're getting ready for work.
Oh. Thank you. Let me get them for you.
Yes, please.
That's very nice of you.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
All right.
What would you like to have for breakfast?
I'm sure Brutus is already making something for me.
Okay, let me just go and hurry him up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Brutus, I was even coming to meet you.
Why? What do you need?
Have you prepared breakfast for Oga? Why are you looking at me like that? You're not saying anything. Have you?
No, my dear, you're overdoing it. No, you're overdoing it, oh. You're overdoing it. The last time it's like that, you were just telling me, oh, you are over supervising me in this house. I don't understand. What's going on? Do you want to take my position as a chef? Or, if you want to take the position as a chef, tell me.
Brutus, what did I do? I only asked a simple question. Yeah. Listen, Oga is about to leave for work and he must eat before going.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No, let me know something. What's this? What's the secrets behind all this? All of a sudden, attention you are showing boss. All this care and attention you are showing boss now.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about.
Care and attention that I was begging for. Now you didn't give me, you're giving to both. No, yeah, I see where you're going. I see.
Keep on talking
I see
now.
where you're going.
I only came to tell you, prepare his breakfast. He needs to eat before going to work.
That's why you're busy. Prepare the breakfast.
Don't say I did not
The
tell
way
you.
you're holding Oga's shoe, like saying you be your father. Is it how you hold your father's shoe? Let me just go and prepare this food before you do this again. Over supervising.
Excuse me, sir. Do you need more food?
No, this is fine.
Okay, I just want to know if you need any other thing.
No, it's okay. Thank you.
All right, sir. Enjoy your meal.
All right, thank you.
This is what we call aroma. Aroma. What the mom said, we can never cook. For you to cook, and you bring out aroma, you bring out flames. You have to get your PhD. I'm not a small boy.
Ah, boo. How is it going? I trust you, boo.
What are you doing in my kitchen? Victory. What are you doing in my kitchen?
Brutus, why are you sounding this way? What is it?
No, it's like you don't want to mind your boundaries. It's like you don't want to mind your boundaries. You don't want to stay on your own. Let me stay on my own. Share your office. I'm not a kid. I'm going 50 years. I'm not a kid. Stop all this play with me.
What did I do wrong? Have I done anything wrong to come assist you?
Oh, you want to assist me?
Yeah.
My destiny helper. You want to assist me, Abby? Huh? Okay, you think I don't know what you are doing in this house? You think I don't know all this your plans? See, whatever you are doing, take my palm, take my wrist like iPhone watch. I'm telling you.
So
You're doing all these things so that Oga will notice you. Yeah.
Notice me how?
Yeah.
Yeah, what? Notice me how?
I know.
Brutus, I'm only doing this thing to ensure that our Oga eats well. Like he's well taken care of.
Oh, Mommy Ness. I never knew you were a nurse, oh. Mommy Ness. No, tell me, what the last time you ensured that I've been taken care of? Let me know. The last time I fell on this floor, my waist, bam! Now only me and Aboniki, we survived. I raised up again. You didn't save me. Now you're here that I want to take care of our God with your mouth like cucumber. Get out of my office.
Please get out, Joe.
This guy thinks you are smart. You think you are smart. That's why this girl wants to stylishly sack me from my position. Before you know, she will just push me from my position. Very wicked girl. Allow me, let me let me eat your inkobi. Just one spoon like this, like that, and I'm okay. You don't want to allow me. Today you are on a period. Today you have virginity. So this girl will be turning me around, push me around like I'm doing nationwide protest. Imagine. Think I'm a small kid. I said it easy.
We are 498.9 feet below the surface. If we engage maximum thrusters, we could push up and out.
Whoa, we can't believe this.
Well, someone seems very happy.
Of course. Have to be happy. Aren't you happy?
What is going on?
What do you mean what's going on? I've got a surprise. Okay? I've got something for you. Or should I say for us?
For us?
Of course. Go on in.
What is this?
Oh, come on now. Open it. Open it. Mm-hmm.
Your
pregnant?
Of course I'm pregnant.
Are you joking?
Is that how you gonna do it? I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant?
Of course, sir. Get up and give me a big hug.
Wait, hold on. You're pregnant?
Of course.
Wait, this is great news. Where's my phone? I need to call Marcus.
Where is it?
Hold on. Come.
You want me to help you?
Wait, you're pregnant?
Oh boy. Hey, my man is about to be a father.
Yes, so you can say that again.
Man, I'm so happy for you.
My joy knows no bounds.
I know.
I just want to go see her people so I can do what's necessary.
That's not a bad idea. That means you need to hurry up before the pregnancy starts.
Yeah, of course. I'm not gonna waste time. You know she's going back to school after the holidays to finish her semester.
Yeah.
So I have to do every marriage arrangement before she leaves.
That's a good one. I've got your back. Anywhere, anyhow, I deal with you full time.
I know now. I trust you.
You're
my day one right-hand man.
You know the story.
You know what? Let's go somewhere and break some bottles.
So we will get that one, tequila for that place.
Hey!
You understand?
No, don't tell me it's true. Please, Brutus, I don't want to believe that food is not ready.
Oh, okay, since when that became your business in when I will cook and when I will not cook?
Hey, no, now it's my business. It's my business. I've been cleaning everywhere. Now I'm done. Just to find out that you haven't even cooked anything, and I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
As your house help now. As your house help. I should be cooking for you any day you come and eat. As your house help, now you employ me. You employed me, Abby.
No, this is not funny. Food is meant to be ready. Please, please, Brutus, give me something to eat. I'm starving. Give me something to eat. I've been working at since, and you haven't even done anything here.
No, you know my problem with you? You don't respect these days. No, you don't respect these days. These days you don't respect. You don't respect. See your pony. Rosalinda. Oh.
Yes, I don't know what you're talking about. Just prepare something for me to eat. Anything fast. Do it, please.
Serious girl.
I've done my own part of my work. You do your own.
Z-word girl. Just you talk like Bahubali. Just. This is how you do. You be doing as if you be Christian. The last time I was passing in front of your door, if you see prayer, but you don't fast. Me now, everybody know that I like food. See, I'm fasting. I'm blind.
Wait. I don't understand. I just left Alfred. Listen, I don't know what you are talking about. And look, don't ever disturb my life. Don't ever don't call me again.
Marcus, you got to call. Oh my God. What have I gotten myself into? Okay. At least I know his place. Yes, I do. I need to sort this out. I really need to. Oh. You want to escape this away? Oh.
Babe?
Yeah.
Yes.
How did it go?
Who are you talking to?
Nobody.
Babes, I heard you talking.
Well, if you must know, I was talking to the father of my baby.
What do you mean by that? Lauren, what are you talking about?
Listen, Alfred, I know this is hard for you to bear, but you have to bear it. I'm afraid the baby is not yours.
I don't understand. What do you mean the baby is not mine?
I don't even get it. Have you forgotten that whenever we are making, I always use protection? And you are even the one that said that no baby until after my studies. So what are you talking about?
Lauren, you've been cheating on me?
So is that why you're shouting? Must you shout? No, tell me, must you shout? Why won't I cheat? Of course I have to cheat. You're not even man enough. So what do you expect me to do?
So the best you could do is to get pregnant by another man in my own house?
In your own house? So it's all about your house now. Well, I will leave tomorrow, okay? I will leave your house tomorrow if that's the problem.
Who's responsible? Who's responsible for this pregnancy? You're kissing it.
Stop. What is it? Stop! What do you want?
You can't just leave me.
Why?
Lauren, we can talk this out, okay? Please.
Listen, Alfred, there's nothing to talk about. Okay? Even if I decide to stay and I remove the baby, still you won't make me happy. Why should I stay anyway in the first place?
So this is it.
It's not working, you know that. Of course, this is it.
So what happens to all the beautiful memories and promising future we talked about?
There we go again. You're talking about future. We haven't even finished present. Listen, what am I going to do with the future if I can't enjoy the present? I need to enjoy, you know that. I need this to get working before I can even think about future. You know that. It's not working. It is not working. Listen, let me tell you. There's two things, okay? It can be small and you know how to use it. But it's small, you don't even know how to use it. What the fuck are you talking about? Please. Hey, where's that madman? Charles!
Lauren.
Oh, please stop. Stop. Charles! Where's that stupid boy? Jules! Stop it. Jules!
Lauren, you can't just... Lauren, if you open that gate, Jules. Open that gate, eh?
Open that gate.
Break your head.
Now. Which gate?
Lauren.
Oh, will you open that gate now? I said open that gate. Can you just respect yourself? Open it. Will you open it? Open it. Now. Go open it. Come on.
This one is not nice. The way Madam is going, eh? Look at how Boss look frustrated, eh? Boss look like Olamide now. She's not good.
Brutus, what are you saying?
No, sir, I didn't say anything. I said you look frustrated in your dreadlocks. You look like Olamide.
Who called you here? Is it me you're talking to like that? No, sir. Do you realize I'm your boss?
No, sir.
If I can't decide to tell me I look like Olamide. Can you imagine? Say my dreadlocks look like Olamide. Brutus!
You were a picture perfect. Love was in my eyes, but I never saw the darkness in disguise. I thought I was enough for you, gave you all I had, baby.
Why would life be this wicked?
But you found comfort in making me feel less of a man.
Marcus, how can you do this to me? My own right-hand man, my best friend. You had to mess me up by doing this with my girlfriend? You stabbed me in the back to have an affair with my woman?
Sir?
This is crazy.
Any problem?
Oh, no, sir, there is no problem. I just wanted to tell you that I think you've been like this for far too long. I'm aware that your girlfriend has left, but it's time you cleaned up yourself and move on with your life. Please, I'm sorry for intruding.
You won't understand how it feels.
You're right. You're right when you say that I wouldn't understand. But please, sir, if you can listen to me, you can't remain like this forever. You have to move on with your life and trust me. Soon, Very soon, everything will turn out for good.
It's happened for reasons I can't control. Can't control. Chasing dreams, you don't get deeper, oh, oh. Now you're carrying. You were a picture perfect. Love was in my eyes, but I never saw the darkness in disguise.
Yes, come in.
Sorry, sir.
Is there a problem?
Oh, no, sir, there's no problem. I only came to ask if you have dirty clothes so I can help you wash them.
Yes, I will put them together and let you have them.
Okay, sir. I'll do whatever to make you happy so far you continue paying my salary.
That's not a problem.
Okay, sir. I'll be waiting for them.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Oh.
I needed someone to wash my sins away. It got it. I did not go. I ordered it. I did not woo. I needed someone to wash my sins away. Oh, I am come a brand new song, amazing prayer. Oh, Jesus, pray tell it, and how do you wanna pray? You know go on. Inogawa, oh Inogawa, oh Inogawa, Jesus, Inogawa, Inogawa, oh Inogawa, oh Inogawa, 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 oh Inogawa, Inogawa, Jesus, Inogawa.
What are you saying?
I'm praising the Lord.
What will not work?
It will not work.
What?
See, whatever you are planning in this your coconut head, I know your plan. All this thing you are doing, if you think it will work, it will not work. It will work over my dead body.
What are you talking about?
You know what you are doing? You know what you are doing? All of a sudden, you have become a washing machine person. You'll be washing all these clothes, you want to be... Oh, okay. So that he'll marry you, Abby. It will not work.
What are you talking about? And who says I want Oga to marry me?
Oh, who says so?
Eh?
Who says so? Who says so?
No.
So, why is that all of a sudden now you don't wash in clothes?
I'm only doing it because his girlfriend is not around. And what am I even talking about? I'm also a house help here, so it's one of my duties.
Washing is one of your duties, and going to knock his door randomly also one of your duties, Abby. See, my dear, since when did this house become a child NGO house or orphanage house that you be washing people's clothes for them?
Brutus, leave me alone. Just leave my sight.
Oh, I should leave
Stop
you alone.
distracting me.
You know go walk. You know go
You
walk.
better leave here. I'll soon pour you this soapy water.
Victor, let me tell you something. You are mine. See, you are mine.
You want me to pour you this dirty water? Leave.
No problem.
You know go work. You know go work. Oh, gosh.
You know go walk.
No, come back. Come back. When you're not mad.
Jump like that, jump!
What's all this now?
Be running, be fast! What happened now?
Are you okay?
What's the problem?
What's the problem?
Oh,
Wait, food is not ready.
food is not ready. He's here a cafeteria place.
What
It's
do
a
you mean?
kindergarten. It's cafeteria that you cook anyhow.
Brutus, Oga will soon be back.
Oh.
And he'll need to eat immediately he returns. So go and cook his food.
I said it that all these things you are doing. You want to just take my job. You want to take my job.
Mr. Man, I'm not taking your job. My Oga I don't know if it's your Oga. My Oga is passing through a lot. And the least we can do is to provide food for him. We don't need to stress him. Yes.
Go and report me now.
Hey,
go and report me
I should go and report you. Give it to me. I'm not giving you this remote. You will not play anything. Go and cook. I'll report you. Go report me now. Go report me. This is what you do in his absence, Okay, no problem. Is that not Oga's car? Hey!
Victory has shown in all ramifications that she possesses the quality of a homely woman. I really need to talk to her. She has won my heart. But what if, after everything, I'm not man enough? That would be so embarrassing for me to go after her and end up not being able to be the man that I'm supposed to be. Not being able to perform my manly duty. No. I need to respect myself. I can't afford to disgrace myself again. No. I cannot bear that shame again. Let me just keep my cool.
It's happened for reasons I can't control it. Chasing dreams, you don't get deeper, Now you're carrying a life that isn't carrying a life with the one I call the brother. Across the line.
Oh my God. Imagine how calmly and carefully she does the cleaning. This girl is really everything in one. Very beautiful, lovely, caring, and very homely. Am I sure I won't forget all odds and go after this girl? How I wish I was man enough. How I wish I'm really okay down there.
What are you doing?
I'm sorry, I'm only trying to make my hard-working girl feel good.
Feel good? What do you mean by feel? I'm already feeling good. You pay me well.
Calm down. Look, don't you enjoy guys making you feel good? Huh?
Guys? How?
Yes.
I don't understand what you mean by guys making me feel good. I've not done anything like that. I have to be on my way. Sorry, sir. I'm so sorry. I have to be on my way.
Victor.
Sorry, sir. I'm sorry. No, it's fine, sir.
Wait. What does she mean she has never... Does this mean she's a virgin?
It's happened for reasons I can't control it. Chasing dreams, you don't get deeper,
Oga, no. I don't like this. I'm not a child, Oga. I'm not a child. You have to talk to Victoria.
Hey, Brutus, calm down. What is the problem?
Can Can you imagine Victoria will be asking me when to cook, when not to cook and all that? What's all this? Am I a child? What a bombshell? 1, 2, 3.
It's okay, just calm down, yeah? I'll talk to her.
So you need to talk to her. You need to talk to her. That girl, she doesn't respect. She don't have value for men. Had it been somebody has bent her down, give her the tack, oh my God, her mind go touch girl. Victoria, her mind go touch girl. But nobody has caved her God, so she should behave anyhow. Am I a child?
Brutus, wait, are you saying Victory is a virgin?
Oh, sorry, you don't know. Oh, Victoria is a new Gen Z. It's a Gen Z. Victoria is a virgin. That's why she behaved like that. She behaved like 3310. Gosh.
Okay, I heard you. I will talk to her, okay? This is not going to happen again. All right?
Okay, sir. It's okay, sir. I'm okay. You have to tell her.
I will talk
You have to tell her.
Don't worry, it's fine.
Still, I have to be pampered. You know, I have to be pampered.
I know.
Whiskey with some whiskey with
Well, just
chilled
get any
cube.
whiskey in there and then, enjoy yourself.
I should enjoy myself with the cube and whiskey,
Yes.
right? Okay, sir.
You deserve it.
Sir, you're back. Yeah. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you. I got this for you.
For me? Oh my God! Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my goodness.
Not even a hug?
Oh. Yeah, sure.
I knew it though. I knew it.
You knew what?
Now she's standing here as if she had not done anything. This girl. Victoria, you can rob a bank, I'm telling you. You can rob a bank. Yes, I'm telling you.
What did I do wrong?
I know you pretend now. I know you pretend. Stop pretending there. Because I saw you. I saw you the way you were hugging Oga, suckling, touching him. All this what you were preserving your body for.
No, Brutus. I never told you I have anything to do with Oga. Please.
You never told me what you... Hey, see, haven't I done enough for you? For how many years have I been in this house? I've tried to make you happy. I've done everything for you.
Brutus, I was only hugging Oga because he got me a gift. That is it.
Oga got you a gift. That's why you hugged him. Have you hugged me before?
No, I haven't. Because you do not deserve my hug.
Oh, really?
Excuse me.
After doing a continental indomie for you. See, Victoria, see, don't let me say thunder boogie there. Victoria, hey, this girl will kill me. Victoria will kill me. After doing everything for this girl was preserving herself for God. Victoria, haven't you done enough? Victoria, what is it? Haven't you done enough? Hey, what is it? Haven't you done enough? The pain, the torture.
You like them?
Like? I love them. They're so beautiful.
I'm glad you love them.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Well, this is my little way of apologizing for touching you the way I did the other time.
I've already forgiven you, sir. And I'm sorry with my behavior. I'm sorry I reacted that way. It's just that I got irritated and embarrassed. I've not had any man come close to me ever.
Victory. Victory, I am really sorry. I don't know how to say this, but you have been my source of happiness in this house for a while now. You're always there for me, ensuring that I am fine. Your presence actually helped me forget the pain of losing my woman. I want us to stand on this already existing closeness to build something beautiful together. Victory, I would love to have you as my woman. Victory, you forgot.
Chef of the universe, Bru Bru. How far now?
Don't touch me. Like I'm going Kolo. Expect yourself.
Calm down, Brutus. Are you still upset? Oh yeah, sorry. I'm sorry. Bru Bru, I'm sorry.
Don't touch me.
Calm down now. Okay, dinner is served, eh? Let me help you and go and tell Oga. Yeah? Bru! I'm sorry.
That's your own business. It's your own business. This guy, she thinks she's smart. You close eye, wicked me. Then you come and do me bro. Blue bed.
Sir, please. This is not why I'm here.
Victory, I need you to relax. Okay, tell me. Why are you here?
I just came to tell you that dinner is served. That's why, sir.
Dinner is served.
Yes, sir.
Come here. Tell me. Now tell me. What dinner would be as sweet as you?
Please don't,
Hey.
please. No,
Hey, I'm not going to bite you. Okay? Do you trust me?
I don't.
Do you trust me?
I don't know. Yes.
You do. Just relax. Okay? Wow. Do you know, I feel like a newborn baby. I have never had such an amazing experience in my entire life.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
But how did you enjoy yourself? I mean, I'm boring and a novice.
I enjoyed every bit of it. I promise you, Victory, am yours, and nothing or anyone can come between us.
And I promise you, same. I love you dearly. And yes, I had a beautiful time last night with you.
I love you too.
I can't control you. Chasing thrill, you don't get deeper, oh. Now you're carrying a life that isn't mine. Carrying a life, with the one I call the brother. We crossed the line.
Jesus. But what about you? So Victoria, this is real you. This is real you now. This is you.
Brutus, what is it this morning?
Concombelete. 1, 2, 3. So since last night, you went to call Oga for dinner, or thinking that she's going to call Oga for dinner. I never see you again. I couldn't see you again, no. I couldn't see you since last night. Now, you are here now. Now, let me understand. Is it that you guys went for night vigil, or you allowed yourself for him to use you as dinner?
Is it your business?
Oh, it's my business. No, it's my business. Yes, of course, it's my business.
Okay, Brutus. I don't like this anymore. In fact, I'm not comfortable with all this anymore because I've condoned your excesses for a very long time. You've been disturbing me. And it's time I tell Oga that you've been disturbing me for him to have you thrown out of this place.
Oh. It's like that now?
Yes.
You tell Oga for him to...
throw you out of this place.
Really?
Yes, really.
I'm disturbing you?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
No, try it again. Try it.
Oh, no, I'm not disturbing you. Me, I'm not disturbing you, okay?
So this.
I'm not.
Every time you be disturbing me, you don't mind your business.
Oh, no, I'm not disturbing you. You know, there's a saying that anytime you see that a girl is moving with a big man, you say your leg be on something. You understand?
No, try me again.
No, I'm not trying you.
I'll have you thrown out of this house.
I'm not trying you. You understand?
What's your problem?
I'm not trying you. You know? I'm not
No, disturb me again.
No, I'm not disturbing you.
You better leave this place.
No, I'm not disturbing you.
Leave this place.
This compound is...
Oh, leave this place.
It's alright. I wanted to ask, like, what?
Okay.
It's okay. So,
what is this? Brutus, did you pump water? Have you pumped the water?
So I am good in bed after all. And Lauren was always making me feel like a tiny rat anytime we make out. She made me feel like so small. She made me feel like I was not a man. But I am a man. She's obviously the problem because she's too wide down there. What's a good day to be alive? I have found my match, and I'm never letting her go. Yes. Now I can comfortably call myself a man. Mr. Alfred, welcome to manhood. I feel real good.
Brutus, nothing is going on. I just want to be the person to prepare my baby's dinner, okay? So you don't have to worry.
What the mom said? Okay, so that's why you're looking so beautiful today.
Thank you.
No, but Victory. Victory. What have I done to you in this house? I want to know. What have I done to you in this house? No, allow me to curve your garden or some banner. Let me shift your curtains or some banner.
Brutus.
Now this work, I'm just enjoying this work to take care of myself. You want to collect this job from me?
No, don't say that. I will never do that. Did I tell you I want to tell my baby to suck you? I just want to be the one to prepare the meal, okay? Moreover, I will never ever be the one to make you lose your job. As far as I'm concerned, this job is for you until you get tired, okay?
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
You know now you are the madam of this house. What you say it will be sound.
Can you listen to me? I'm only doing this tonight because I have a big news for my baby.
A big news?
Oh yes.
So is that why you are looking so beautiful like a Z-World actor? Oh wow. What a bombshell. All right.
Don't worry.
You're very beautiful. Do you know that you like this, without makeup, when I watch you from afar, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Let me just rest my case.
Yes, please rest it.
Let me just rest my case.
It's okay.
You read picture perfect.
Yes.
Love was in my eyes, but I never saw the darkness in disguise.
So I'm going to feed you a little bit of my fish. Okay?
And I'll feed you a little bit of my pasta.
There's no fish in there.
That's why I said just pasta.
You didn't say just, you said pasta.
Okay, pasta.
Mm-hmm.
You like?
Babe,
Mm-hmm.
this is so good.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You know, it gives me so much joy enjoying a delicacy made by my sweet angel.
I'm glad it gives you such feeling, babe.
Oh, this feeling is out of this world, trust me.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I disagree with you because the night is about to be extremely interesting.
How?
Hold on. Open gently.
What is this?
Open up.
Is this an agreement or something? Hmm? Is this real? This is real?
Yes.
You're pregnant?
Yes, babe, I'm pregnant.
What? What? You're pregnant?
Yes, darling, I'm pregnant.
Oh my God.
You can't see it now.
You're pregnant?
Yes.
So I'm going to be a father?
Yes, you're going to be a father.
Oh my God.
Get ready.
You're pregnant?
Yes, darling, I'm pregnant.
Oh, baby.
Calm down. You need to calm down.
No. Don't tell me to calm down.
I think you need to calm down.
This is a dream come true. You can't tell me to calm down, baby.
I'm sorry.
I'm going to be a father
Yes.
of a human being.
Of course.
You're telling me to calm down? What?
I'm so delighted.
What's up, dude?
Dude or girl?
It's a boy.
It's a girl
Hey,
first. No,
no.
it's a girl.
Don't start with me.
Babe,
I
I'm so
put
sure.
it there.
I'm so sure.
And I'm
it's a
telling
girl.
you it's a boy.
I'm carrying it as a girl. See, I'm even wearing pink.
Doesn't matter.
Girl.
Boy.
Girl.
Boy.
Girl.
Boy.
No, girl.
I love you.
I love you
I love
too.
you so much.
I love you.
Damn, is this me?
Mm-hmm. It's us.
Will you marry me?
God, yes, I will.
What's going on here?
I will marry you.
What's going on?
What is this? Who's this person? Who's this Tokumbo now? Sir, don't mind this woman. Please continue and get married to her. Don't let anybody come and destroy your beautiful home. What a bombshell.
Alfred, can you tell me what's going on here, please?
What are you doing in my house?
Babe, I'm very sorry. Okay. I've realized my mistakes.
That does not answer my question. What do you want?
Babe, I know I've offended you deeply. And I don't know how to say, but I'm truly sorry. You know, life has been very tough out there for me due to excessive maltreatment from Marcus. And in the process, I lost the baby. I'm very sorry. I now realize that life is not about sex. It goes beyond that. Please forgive me. I'm very sorry.
It no go happen. It no go happen. It no go happen. Delilah.
Brutus. Well, I'm glad you have realized your mistake, but it is too late. As you can see, I have in my arms the most beautiful woman I have ever known.
Don't touch me. Are you crazy? What are you touching me for? Brutus.
Sir, just allow me to do the work. Hey, shit. Ever since you left, everything is fine, yo. Ever since you left, everything is fine. Look at how our guy is looking so nice. Looking like Olamide now.
No more Olamide.
Okay, no more Olamide.
Change it.
Okay, Fireboy.
Yeah.
Fireboy. Look at how our guy is looking like Fireboy now. Fresh man. Look at the dreadlocks. Have you seen the dreadlocks? He's looking like Fireboy. Fireboy. Please, man, yeah, please. Please, no. Oh, hey. I don't like what you're doing. Stop what you're doing. So continue, sir. Continue.
You were a picture perfect. Love was in my eyes, but I never saw the darkness in disguise. I thought I was enough for you. Gave you all I had, baby, but you found comfort in making me feel less of a man. I am. You thought sex would fix what you couldn't mend, but it was trust on the line. It happened for reasons I can't control. Chasing dreams, don't get deeper. Now you're carrying a life that is you're carrying a life for what I call a brother. Cross the line. Traded our love for a moment of sin. Left me in cold while you let him in. A small piece of me, that's what you could see. Oh, now I'm left with nothing but the pain.